Hello everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to download PostgreSQL and pgAdmin. It's going to be very easy, so please follow this tutorial. What you got to do is Enterprise DB PostgreSQL download. I'll paste the link below and you just click on this, download PostgreSQL. What my operating system is Mac OS, so I'm going to click on this, download. If you're Windows, then you have to do Windows. So when you download it, just wait for it for a while. And I don't know how to say it, PostgreSQL or PostgreSQL, I don't know. But yeah, once you download this, open it, click on this. I have already installed it, so it might not be, everything must be there, but I'm just gonna show you how to do it. You know how to basically install it, right? So you just click on this, enter your password, and go next. I have already downloaded it. You just click on it. If you don't want to click on anyone, if you want to uncheck any of them, just uncheck it, then next. You will set up a password and stuff like that, and just remember the password which you set when you set up, and just close it. Once it's done, you can eject the drive, then go here, Launchpad, and pgAdmin4. Mine is already open, so it will prompt you to enter a password which you set up earlier, and that's about it. So you have PostgreSQL and pgAdmin4. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel for easy SQL knowledge and also how to do some installation and stuff like that. Thank you.